Hey, Grego's here again. Can't get enough of Grego, can ya? Well, I can't get enough of Grego. What do they say? No one loves Kanye more than Kanye. Well, that's not me at all. So, yeah, what are we going? What's going on here? Besides the surfy style stickers. Yes. Well, that's about the truth if you've got air-cooled power. 0 to 60 eventually. That's 60 miles, you know. Anyway, never mind, not going there. So, I want to introduce you to Dusty. Dusty's a Kombi. Bay window Kombi. You know, like people go, oh, the difference between the 68 and 69 and then 75, the bloody door hinges change. Whatevs. Bay window Kombi. So, like, I work on these things. I've been driving them for bloody 35 years, and I don't care about little details or subtle model differences. Like, who does? Well, some people do, and that's okay if that's your hobby. But I got bigger fish to fry. So, yeah, this is a pretty good bus overall, but it just needs a bit of VZR love. And so where do we start? Let's look at, oh baby, a bit of a dodgy, like this has definitely been painted before. It's not an original colour, but yeah, that's a bit ordinary. And the owner has bought another engine lid, so that's cool. Overall, this side's not too bad. What was I going to do? Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on. Yeah, so it just needs a few repairs here and there and a freshen up, basically. So let's just see what we've got here. So we have some nastiness on the door there. Oof. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wildy time. Yeah, it's a bit something's happening down there. And this here, you're supposed to have a join line there. And yeah, there's quite a bit of filler in there. So we're gonna rip all that back. All the bottoms of the doors. Sliding door. Yes. Bottom of the sliding door, because that's where they rust. The rest doesn't look too bad. There's some concern with this gutter and roof. And if you look in there, in that area there, yeah, it can certainly have a bit dug out to stop the rust from going any further. And a bit of a common fault in the painting process, often it gets DA'd, and then they miss this little edge here, which you really need to hit by hand because, is it there? Yeah, there we are. There we are. That's no good. So yeah, oh. Grego and his bloody trusty digger. But probably one of the main areas is something going on around here. So, looks like the just about these bloody goggles on there. Oh, sorry, I'm not focused real long. Just trying to watch what I'm doing. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. I'm not sure what that is now. Anyway, it's not a bloody Renault show. It's just, this is an introduction to Dusty and what it's doing here. We've got some new headlights and that for it. This deformation panel. Uh-oh. Yes, needs a bit of looking at there. So we've got to pull her apart, pull this stuff off here, you know, all the grill and the lights and stuff, and then just strip it back and see what we've got, because if we don't have to pull the front off, then we won't. But you know, until you get it in bare metal. What are we playing, Andrew? Rufus again, that's good. Can't go wrong there. This windscreen's going to have to come out because I don't like the look of that. Now, I don't want to say that they didn't pull that out last time, but you don't know, I guess. That's the thing. So it's often making it look uglier before it looks better. Hang on a minute. Just digging at it like a bloody digging for gold. Except it's pretty much just iron oxide. No gold here. God, lots of grunting, Greg. But this doesn't look too... Oh, there she goes into the abyss. That, my friends, is going to let some rain in. So I'm looking at this seal here. Not the best jobby anyway. So what we'll do is cut this seal off. The windscreen doesn't look too old. It's a good one. So we'll preserve the screen, but the rubber's got to be cut out. Pull everything off and get exploring. Get exploring with the grinder. The grinder is your friend. I don't have many friends, but the grinder is one of them. Oh yeah, here. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, that's the most versatile tool out there. Like mechanics and that, they have all these rows and rows of snap-on, you know, enough to mortgage a house. Snap-on tools all in drawers, and like every tool known to man. But the grinder is really the main essential tool that you need. Anything that's rusted nuts, don't worry about bloody, you know, impact wrench. Just cut them off. That's what we do. No, not really. So yeah, so we shall inspect. If you look along there, that's always a giveaway sign that it has been patched in the past. Always, if you go and do a Kombi inspection when you buy a Kombi, always check under there, and you can tell along there that she's a bit lumpy. Hang on, Grego's getting his tool out again. That sounds terrible. So get in, go. There is a bit of, yeah, a bit of filler work to cut back. But anyways, this side is all good from what we can see. I guess the point is that we're just painting the bottom half of the car, so all this glass is actually staying in, bar the windscreen. So really we'll probably end up just repainting the roof and repainting the bottom in the same color. We'll just match that. So I'll just take the panel off and go and see the guys at Colour Stop in Toowoomba, and they can buff a bit and match it, and that's what we'll go with. It's not a bad color. It's got a hint of purple to it. It's a nice blue. Yeah, cool bus. Anyway, it's going to be even cooler when it's a bit more rust free. So that's the introduction video to Dusty. So yeah, that's all for now, I guess. nothing much more to report except for that. So yeah, I'm just about to paint Ava here, so we're just doing the final mask and getting that ready. So I just thought I'd do a quick video, long enough, about Kombi life. Alrighty, that's 10 minutes of rambling, so I will talk to you later. Ciao.